How to change payment method in OneXBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change payment method, you need to go to your settings. Tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner. Next up, select this other option over here. After that, you can see this account management option. Tap on it. Now, in order to change the payment method, if you are going to deposit, you can select this deposit option. If you want to change the payment method during your withdrawal, select this withdraw option. After that, you will see different payment methods available for you. You can explore through the options and select your preferred payment method. Let's say if you want the wallet transfer, you can tap on it. After that, you need to provide your wallet address, your wallet number, your wallet name. You can select the amount you want to withdraw and tap on confirm. If you want to change from this payment method to another, you can simply select any other payment methods over here. So the payment methods are available according to your country. As you can see here, the payment systems in your region, this option is enabled. So that's why all these payment methods are showing up according to your region. So that's it. That's how you can easily change payment method in your OneXBet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.